Welcome to the School Science. This is Jadesh A. Nadvi. The 10th Science second chapter and then part 3 video we are discussing today. The chapter name is Acids, Bases and the Salts. We are going to discuss about how strong are acids and the base solutions. Then come to the point. Here, this is the pH scale I have shown in the picture. The central, the green part, it indicates the neutral, and then if you move on from middle to left side, the acidity will increases. Then if we move on from central to the right side of the picture, that is alkalinity, means basic nature increases. We can discuss in the next slides. How strong are acid or a base solutions? Acids giving rise to more H plus ions. What are the acids? Acids are the substances they giving H plus ions. We know that. Then what are the bases? Bases are the substances they giving OH minus ions when dissolved in water. This is the concept, we know that. Then what are the strong acids and what are the weak acids? These are the types of the acids, the strong acids and the weak acids. Here the definition of the strong acid is acids if they are giving more H plus ions when dissolved in water, that is the strong acids. Weak acids, if the acids giving less H plus ions when dissolved in water, that is the weak acids. Then bases. Here also there are two types of strong bases and the weak bases. Bases, if they are giving more OH minus ions when dissolved in water, they are the strong bases. Then weak bases. If the bases giving less OH minus ions when dissolved in water, that is the weak bases. These are the two types of bases and the two types of acids. Then the concept is dilution of acids. What is the dilution of acids? Decrease in the concentration of H plus ions in a solution is called the dilution. Means the addition of acid to the water is called the dilution of the acids. In the same way, dilution of the bases. Decrease in the concentration of OH minus ions in a solution is called the dilution of bases. We can judge how strong a given acid or a base. We can judge the acid and the base, how strong it is, by using the indicator, that is the universal indicators. Then come to the definitions of the universal indicators, which is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator shows different colors at a different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. It shows the different colors at different concentration of the hydrogen ions, means the different concentration of the pH, different pH. It shows the different color in different pH range. Then what is the pH scale? A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. What is the pH scale? It measures the hydrogen ion concentration, that is the pH. Here the P stands for potens. In German it means power. Potens means power in German. In a pH scale we can measure pH generally from 0 to 14. We can measure from 0 to 14. Next, this picture indicates the variation of pH with the change in concentration of H plus and OH minus ions. Means the change in the concentration of pH. Look at the picture. It is starting from 0 to 14. The blue line indicates H plus ion concentration, and then white lines, then white area. The blue area and white area. White area indicates OH minus ion concentration. 7. The 7 is the pH value, that is neutral. It indicates the neutral. Any solution it shows the 7 pH value, that solution becomes a neutral. Means it does not belongs to the acidic nature and it doesn't shows the basic nature. That is the neutral. If you move from neutral position, means middle of the pH scale, that is from 7 to 0, it increasing the acidity. It increasing the acidity means blue color area will increase gradually. This indicates the acidic nature will increases. Next, from the 7 point, neutral point. If you move from 7 to right side of the scale, or from 7 to 14, it increases the basic nature. If the basic nature is increases, that is the area of the white part. If the basic nature will increases, the blue area is decreases. Blue area decreases. In the same way, as the acidity increases, the basic nature will decreases. If the basic nature is increases, acidic nature or the acidic position will be decreases. This is indicated in this figure. Next, we can discuss the what are the solutions, and then what are their pH value, and then what are their nature. Then serial number, solution, color of the pH paper, pH value, nature of the substances. We know the pH paper. pH paper, it indicates whether the substance is acidic or a base by changing the color. Number 1, saliva, which is present in the mouth before meal, its color is green. If the color will be green, pH value is 7.4 approximately. The nature of the substances is basic, which is not exactly 7. It is the more than the 7, means 7.4. That's why we are writing this is the basic. Number 2, saliva after meal in the mouth. The color of the pH paper will be yellow, means after the meal the acidity will changes, the pH value will changes from 7.4 to 5.8. After meal, the pH value becomes 5.8 in our mouth. If the 5.8 pH value means that is the acidic nature, that is the below 7, that it means from 7 to 0 we have to move. That is, if we move from 7 to 0, the acidic nature will increases. In the same way, lemon juice, its pH color is pink, pH value is 2.5. The nature of the substance is acidic. The colorless aerated drink, the color of the pH paper is green, and then pH value is 6. Nature of the substance is slightly acidic. It is nearly near to the 7, that is slightly acidic. 5, carrot juice, yellow green, the 5.6, and the nature of substances is acidic. Look at the picture, top picture, first picture. If the pH value is 0, 1, 2, the acidic nature is more. The pH value are the 0 or 1, the acidic nature is more. And the pH value 5, 6, the acidic nature is less as compared to the 1 and 0. In the same way, the basic nature of the substances is more if the pH value is 13 and the 14. The basic nature is less when the pH value is 7.5 or 8 or 9. This is the concept. Next, some more examples I have given here. Coffee, tomato juice, tap water, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid. Coffee, color of the pH is yellow, pH value is 5, means it is the acid. The nature of the substances is acidic nature, because less than the 7, that is the acid, more than the 7, that is the basic. In the same way, the tomato juice is ಒಂದು ಬಗೆಯ ಉಣ್ಣೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇದು. pH value is 4.1. This is the acidic in nature. Tap water, lime green, it is exactly 7. That is the, if the pH value is 7, that is the nature of the substances is neutral, as we know already. Next, sodium hydroxide, the pH paper color is green, that is pH value is 11. The nature of the substances is basic. And the same way, hydrochloric acid, as we know, it is an acid. That's why the pH paper is red color. The pH value is 0. 0 is the much powerful of the acidic nature. Next point, importance of pH in everyday life. pH in our digestive system. In our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is helpful to digest the food in our stomach. This acid helps in digestion of our food. without harming the stomach. It does not harm the stomach in the limited amount of hydrochloric acid is released. If the excess of acid is produced in our stomach, there is a causes of pain and irritation. There is causes of pain and irritation. In order to cure pain, base called antacids are used. The remedy we are using is antacids. Next, second one, acids cause tooth decay. Normally we eat some food in our that produces acids in our mouth. This acid causes tooth decay. As we seen earlier, that is the before meal and after the meal, saliva before the meal and after the meal. See, saliva before the meal, that is 7.4, saliva after the meal, that is 5.8. That's why look at the point, when the pH becomes lower than 5.5, tooth enamel gets corroded, because the more the acidity, the corrosion becomes more. Saliva, which is slightly alkaline, produced in the mouth, neutralizes some acids, but the excess acid can be removed only by the use of some toothpaste. They are basic in nature. To reduce tooth decay, toothpaste are used. That's why often I have suggested you before go to the bed, and then after wake up from the bed, we have to daily twice a time we have to brush to reduce the tooth decay. We have to brush twice a day. Third point, pH in our digestive system. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid formula HCl. This acid helps in the digestion of the food without harming the stomach. During the indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid, and this causes pain and irritation. If the more acid is produced, the irritation and the pain is more. People use bases called antacids to neutralize this excess acid. Examples: magnesium hydroxide, that is a milk of magnesia. A milk base is often used for this purpose. Generally, to reduce the irritation and the pain, we use the baking soda also. Next, some animals and plants contain acids. As we know, bee and honey bee, these two are having some acids in their mouth. That's why honey bee injects an acid through its sting when it bites, which causes pain and irritation. Hence, a mild base like baking soda is applied to that point where it is bites, treated the wound. Similarly, nettle is a stinging plant. Nettle is a stinging plant. It is a plant. When one accidentally touches its hair, a painful effect is produced because of the injection of the acids to our skin. As the remedy, the affected area rubbed with the dog plant. Dog plant can be used to reduce the this irritation and the harmful, painful effect. Some naturally occurring acids. Natural sources acids. Vinegar, hulirasa. In these natural sources, the acid is present is acetic acid. Orange, kittale, citric acid. Tamarind, hunase, tartaric acid. Tomato, oxalic acid. Sour milk, udi halu, lactic acid. Lemon, nimbu, citric acid. Ant sting, irve kadita, methanoic acid is present in the ant sting. Nettle sting also methanoic acid. In the ant having some formic acids also. Next, thank you for watching.